In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam error code E87. Now first what you want to do is you want to locate your Steam right here. If you don't have it on the desktop, you can search for it here, right click on it and open file location. Now what you want to do is you want to right click on the Steam, properties and copy this. What you can do is you can press Ctrl A, Ctrl C, or you can simply drag and copy everything. Now what you want to do is you want to press Windows button R to open up Run, or you can simply search for Run down here. Now in here you want to copy paste, press space, /repair and press OK. Now what this will do is it will open Steam in a repaired mode and this can solve your issue. Now if this doesn't work, another thing we can try is we can come down here, Apps and Features, Steam, simply uninstall and reinstall Steam and see if this fixes your issue. Now if you want it to be in the repair mode every time you launch Steam, you can right click on it, properties, and then simply change it from in here, just like this. Apply and press OK. So those are the ways that you can fix the issue. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.